Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. This morning, this beautiful red FN2 with a K20 plate is having some modifications. So today it's having a TypeR manifold, TypeR decat and TypeR exhaust system before up onto the dyno to have it mapped. So what do we think the power will be, ladies and gentlemen? Let's find out. If you want to comment before the final figure, that'd be amazing. But yeah, we'll get it up onto the dyno. We'll get it up onto the ramps, fit some exhaust, and then up onto the dyno and get tuned on the Ecutek software. Okay, so the FN2 has made it up onto the dyno. It has had its TypeR manifold, decat and catback system installed. Jensen is strapping it down. And now Richard is probably sweltering in the heat. How you feeling, Rich? Hot. So standard power run. At that point, we'll get a base figure, and then we shall upload the Ecutek race ROM to the standard ECU. And it's at that point we start tuning. So here we go. it's a bit hot, mate.
Oh, is that why your blouse is open?
That's my blouse, yeah.
Yeah. It's a lovely blouse you've got on.
I've got a chest rug. I need to air it.
That was a bottom quote for those that weren't aware.
Yeah, you look like a bottom to me.
It's a lovely blouse you've got
It's
on.
a lovely blouse. Ooh.
Lovely blouse you've got on.
Lovely blouse.
Right. Lovely red FN2.
It's hot.
It's
I feel as hot as this car.
We've got to go
is in
through
red.
it again, ain't we? All winter, it's like, I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. Last week it was hot. Well, obviously now that the temperature's up a little bit more, you know, than it was last week. He now is officially dying.
I should wear all loads of bin bags, because then I'd be losing weight. Because I'd sweat it out.
Is it really hot on your chair in the office?
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, it actually is really hot.
Yeah, what you want to try and do.
All your pens are dried up.
Customer drove this here at 1,000 miles an hour this morning, and everything was still at probably about 1,200 degrees, and you got to put an exhaust on it and everything.
Yeah.
That was the version of warm.
That's what he's there for.
That was the version of warm.
Yeah, pretty warm, yeah. Pretty warm. It is a warm day. I just made the mistake of touching the HKS induction kit.
That was hot.
That was hot. Hot.
Hot enough to be uncut that you wouldn't want to put your hand on it.
Yeah, not comfortably.
No. Well.
Put your hand on it.
I thought that's what we were laughing at.
Go on, put your hand on it.
I'm not going to.
It's really hot, mate. Put your hand on it. Yeah, so FN2. So today it's had some modifications. It's gone from a stock exhaust system to a...
No, it did have an aftermarket cat on it, as if it had been, as if someone's nicked it or whatever, and it's had one put in it.
Oh, okay.
So, but the standard manifold anyway, and it was a standard, like, style cat, if you get what I mean,
yeah.
but it wasn't stock.
But it's had a TypeR manifold, a TypeR DCAT, TypeR catback system.
Yeah.
It's got a HKS induction kit on it, and that's about it. And we have finished today on 217 brake horsepower, and I'm pretty convinced it's the hottest day ever.
Well, yeah, I won't say ever, but
I think it is the hottest day ever.
But it's a hot day.
In the whole history
What
of time.
What does it say it is in here, according to the computer?
It was like 35 degrees on that last run.
37 it says now.
37. It's getting hotter because obviously I'm here and I'm too hot.
Dan's too sexy for his shirt.
I am too sexy for this shirt. I'm not. I don't think. Oh, there's a lovely breeze coming through there. Did you feel that? Oh.
Right, should we have a look at the graph then?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Come on then.
Okay, so red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Now, red line was obviously after we'd fitted the exhaust system, got her up onto the dyno. But yeah, blue line is as she leaves. As you can see, there's power made right across the rev range there. And we finish on 217 brake horsepower, which is 181 at the wheel. So not bad result, especially on the height of summer. There's our Jensen. I was just saying we didn't have enough Jensen in the video.
Hello.
Hi mate, how you doing? How you feeling today?
Hot.
Hot. See, it is hot, ain't it? Don't listen to Rich. Don't listen to Rich. It's bloody hot. So there we go. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you stick around for some more videos. If today is the day that we've earned the clicking of the bell icon, so the bell icon, so that you can see all our videos, that'd be really, really cool. But yeah, we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Jensen?
We will indeed.
Awesome.
And I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
This is particularly hot. Like, no, not touching that. That's hot. Okay then.